Hi friends, after a long time I'm posting this video. Hope my viewers are still around. So let me tell you, today's topic is I have taken up a topic which is more to do with personality development. It is like how to handle in certain situations. So the topic is how to handle lies or how to handle a liar. It has become a fashion nowadays to lie, and in the virtual reality, in the virtual world where we spend half of our day, we often complain that people are untrustworthy. You cannot trust people, so they lie. They are lying, so I'm also lying. So this has become a fashion, right? So all why we can't operate in the truth now in a real world and the 3D world, we have been taught since our school days to present our best version, to talk our truth, don't lie, don't deceive, don't cheat. All these bookish things have been taught, it's there in the brain, done. But when you go out in the real world, in the corporate sector where you're working, you're dealing with people, it's just not possible to maintain those principles. So we often find ourselves manipulating people, lying to each other, and all these things. Now, lying is done for a purpose that I understand. It is done, it can be done for getting a short term result, it can also be done for getting a long term result, let's say. But through lying, it is easy to obtain a short term result. A long term, gaining a long term result is difficult. Why? Because your version of lying will change in the long term. It's not easy to maintain for a longer period of time. In a short period of time, yes. So in the corporate world, or you see the leaders lying all the time for gaining a certain thing, I understand. It's quite okay. But what happens when you lie within relationships where your emotion is involved, your spouse, your children, your friends? When people lie unnecessarily, it becomes a habit. It forms a bad habit. You become a compulsive liar just for nothing. Maybe at that point of time you think to gain a short-term result, you are lying and your purpose will be solved. So how does it work? In the virtual world, most of the time we complain. Nobody speaks the truth. So how to handle here? How to make friends? See, a liar's brain programming is very typical. Their brain works in a typical manner. He believes that every other person in his world is a liar. So he attracts liars. So when one liar lies to another, it's like, one gambler trying to snatch money from another gambler. So what happens? You end up with nothing. So one liar lying to another liar, they are both lying to each other. They can decode each other very well. The vibration matches, and the way they lie, they know how the other person is manipulating the information, so they can decode easily another liar. So what happens? They don't end up for a long period of time. They cannot stay together. There will be a split within a short period of time, because through decoding each other's lie they find the truth, which is not very nice, right? So how to handle, how to break this cycle, how to retain a friend, how to teach him or her to operate in his truth is simply stand in your truth, speak your truth. If you come across a liar, if you think a person is a compulsive liar, he is lying again and again, don't change your version. Speak your truth, stand in your truth. What happens, he cannot decode you. He will be puzzled. He will be puzzled for a long period of time because he does not trust you. He does not believe that you are speaking your truth. Everybody lies. How can you speak your truth? So you are also a liar, so he will try to catch your lies. He's trying to decode, but because your brain working does not match his, so he is not getting, he's not getting around it. He can't decode it easily. So what happens? He's puzzled, he's baffled for a long period of time. And here you keep him hanging and you work through your relationship, operating in your truth. Remember. So in the process, this person may learn to speak his truth, learn the virtues of truth. He may understand your value. You may win a friend in him. And you will never lose. You will never split. Why? Because you'll never get another person who speaks in this manner. It's Chanakya Niti. In India, we say Chanakya Niti, right? Chanakya. He was a very big politician. So, never lie to a liar is the point. He will catch you easily. Stand in your truth, he can't get you. And in the process, he will learn your value and learn to speak his truth as well. So you are making a friend for a lifetime. This is how to win friend. Say in the virtual realm, even in real world. Even in real world, I'm telling you. It's not always virtual I'm talking. So this is a virtue which has been taught to us, since our parents or even before that, means old age traditions. But we are forgetting this. We are forgetting this. I'm not saying we don't lie. We lie to get short-term results where it is necessary. We call them white lies. As long as it is not hugely harmful. But unnecessarily in a relation, you think that every person is a liar. And it takes equal number of people to make this world good. If there are bad people, there are good people also. You teach them good. You don't bring yourself down to their level. So this is a very small thing you may feel, but operate in your truth. In the longer period of time, I have made friends in the virtual world and very beautiful souls. How? Some of them were liars, or they used to lie also, but I have brought the best out of them. How? By standing in my truth. So I believe it is, if you can do this now, you will realize the value of this. When they get puzzled, you will enjoy your truth. They get baffled, you'll enjoy your truth. Being simple, being naive is not always bad. It is in fact a very big virtue. We are forgetting. Stand in your truth. When you lie to another and another person is lying to you, you end up in nothingness, and there will be a split in very short period of time. You can't retain these people. That's why people don't find friends. Even in real life, they don't find friends. Try this. Okay, so I'll come up with more, psychological, maybe some deeper psychological understanding on how the brain works or how people behave in future. But this one, to start with this, to start today, I have chosen this topic. So hope you liked it. Hope you practice it in your life. Thank you so much. Bye.